Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Settings now. This is where you control Control Center behavior. Tap Settings, then tap Control Center. Once done, you will see a list of active controls and extra controls available to add. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and you're on the home or lock screen while testing. You don't need third-party apps. Apple provides the only supported way. Now, get ready to customize what appears when you pull Control Center down from the top right. Next, you add and order the controls you want. Tap the green plus next to a control to add it, and tap the red minus to remove one. Once added, press and hold the 3 horizontal lines to drag items up or down. Higher items appear first in the Control Center grid. Make sure to add essentials like flashlight and camera for quick access. After arranging, exit settings, you're one step away from testing the gesture to open Control Center. To finish, place your thumb or finger at the very top right corner and swipe down. Control Center appears instantly. If it doesn't open, make sure you start the swipe from the edge, not the middle of the screen. Some screen protectors or cases can block the gesture. If you still have issues, restart the iPhone and make sure Control Center is enabled in Settings. As a final troubleshooting tip, temporarily remove the case or screen protector to confirm the edge gesture isn't being obstructed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.